Hello students, this is lecture 7 of class 8 of chapter 2. In previous lecture, I taught you about objects of databases. Now in this lecture, I am going to tell you about the types of databases. There are various types of databases such as flat file, hierarchical, relational and so on. But in this lecture, we will only focus on the relational DBMS because we have to do the practical of this one in this chapter. Now most DBMS store data in tables, as you know, and if we are storing data into the tables, it means data will be stored in the form of rows and columns. So in a database there are multiple tables, means it depends the type of data, means which type of data we are going to maintain in a database. According to that we will take the table in our database. So in a database there are multiple tables of data and each table has a particular data. For example, we are storing or we are creating database of school. So in school database, one table we can create for personal details of students, second table we can create for personal details of staff, and third tables we can create for fee details, and so on. So it depends on the type of data and the requirement of the data. Now the type of a DBMS is a RDBMS. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. And what is the RDBMS? RDBMS is a type of DBMS, as I told you before, where we can connect or relate all tables to each other so that we can access data from more than one table together. Here all the data in the database gets related to each other through the relationship. For example, these are the multiple tables and we can connect all these tables through the relationship in a RDBMS, and now we can access data from all the connected tables at a time. Popular RDBMSs are MS Access, that we are going to do in this chapter, Oracle, MySQL. So all these are the RDBMS.